All right, everybody. It's been a busy day today. I got the pool all marked out. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So on Monday, I've got a 160-ton crane coming in. We'll film that whole deal. They're going to pick up this 26,000-pound solid concrete pool and then drop it in this hole. So what I had to do today was make sure that the pool is going to be centered in the hole on the pad. So I had to do some measurements back and forth. The easiest way is always find your center line and then measure off the center line to the edge. And that way you know that you're going to be center on your material that you're setting on. So let me show you guys quickly what that's going to look like, and we'll take another tour. Walking around, this is what we've spent the last 3 weeks working on, is getting this dug, poured, and put in place. So everybody's probably asking, what in the world is the hole on the end for? There's no pipe sticking out of it. That can't be your drain. You're exactly right. It's the opposite. That is a hydrostatic valve. So in the event that the groundwater swells and comes up, rather than float the slab and the pool, because this stuff with enough water pressure will float, it will force the water into the pool, which will then overflow out onto the concrete, so the pool doesn't float out of the hole. Folks in Florida will really know what I'm talking about. There's been a lot of news around some unsavory contractors down there that didn't know what they were doing, and the people had their pools float out of the yard. This prevents that. You can also see that what I did is I marked the center line of the hole, and I marked the center line of the slab to find dead center, and then I check my measurements either way. So the pool is 10 by 20. So I'm going 5 feet either side of the center line and 10 feet either side of the center line of the other line. And that's where the pool is going to sit. So where you see the black lines is exactly where the pool will end up landing. So here on this end where the ladder is will be where all the plumbing comes out. I haven't quite decided which way that I'm going to run it yet, but I do know that the pool equipment will be underneath the stairs going up to the garage. So that will be its final resting place. Just not quite sure how I'm going to dig them yet. But here we go. This is the next step, and probably on Monday we'll have a very good idea what this is going to look like getting close to finish, because it'll be sitting in the hole.